This little slow feeder bowl works really well for the pug who is a very fast eater. This bowl actually is kind of deceptive. It holds quite a bit of food, a couple of handfuls of food, and it's deep, and these really thin ridges really do provide a challenge for him to be able to get all those kibbles out. So it takes him a really long time to eat out of this bowl compared to some of the larger bowls I have that have a larger maze or larger pattern in them. Another feature I really like about this bowl is the rubber base. The silicone base doesn't allow it to slide around on the ground, so while he's really aggressively trying to get in here and get the kibble out, it's not scooting all over the floor. I actually leave it in its little cardboard container that it came in, because when we're traveling, this just makes it a little easier to keep track of in the stuff when we're traveling. So I'm really impressed with this one. It's from Outward Hound. I'm real happy with almost everything I've got from Outward Hound, and this is their Fun Feeder Slow Bowl, and it really does work well with our very eager eater, the pug. Hope this helps.